Ugandan opposition leader Dr. Kizza Besigye will remain in custody for another week, following a court decision to adjourn his bail hearing until December 10, 2024. The delay comes as his legal team, led by prominent Kenyan politician and lawyer Martha Karua, awaits the approval of a temporary practicing license from the Uganda Law Council. The high-profile trial, held at the General Court Martial, was postponed on Monday to allow time for Karua to formalize her ability to represent Besigye in Uganda. Karua, known for her strong stance on justice and human rights, confirmed that her application for the temporary license was still being processed at the time of Besigye's arraignment. Besigye was reportedly apprehended in Nairobi by Ugandan security agents and transported to Uganda, where he has been detained in a military facility. Along with his co-accused, Abid Lutali, he faces 4 serious charges, including possession of 2 pistols and ammunition, and alleged attempts to purchase weapons from international sources in Geneva, Athens, and Nairobi. These charges have sparked significant controversy, with critics suggesting they are politically motivated. The nature of Besigye's arrest, involving foreign agents operating across borders, has raised additional concerns about regional security and sovereignty. Karua, leader of the NARC Kenya party, expressed deep frustration over the intensive security measures she encountered while attending the court proceedings in Kampala. Speaking to the press on December 2nd, she described the invasive searches at multiple checkpoints, which she deemed excessive and humiliating. "I was subjected to 2 rigorous searches, once at the gate and again before entering the courtroom. It was not just a routine procedure but felt targeted," Karua stated, emphasizing her dismay at the apparent lack of respect for human dignity and the principles of a fair trial. Her concerns reflect broader anxieties about the impartiality of the judicial process in Uganda, particularly in politically sensitive cases. Karua revealed that she had communicated with Justice Irene Mulyaganja of the Uganda Law Council, who assured her that the council would urgently address the licensing issue. Karua urged swift action, stressing the importance of her presence in court. "I have pleaded with the council to expedite my application because this case is ongoing, and I cannot represent my client without the necessary approval," she said. The delay in Besigye's bail hearing and the obstacles faced by his legal team raised serious questions about the state of justice in Uganda. The heightened security measures and the complex process of licensing Karua appear to be part of a broader strategy to intimidate and discourage dissenting voices. Besigye's case is emblematic of a larger regional trend where opposition leaders are increasingly subjected to legal and extrajudicial measures aimed at silencing them. The cross-border nature of his arrest also highlights the fragile balance between national sovereignty and regional cooperation in East Africa. As the world watches, the Ugandan judiciary's handling of this case will serve as a litmus test for the country's commitment to the rule of law and human rights. If the legal system fails to ensure fairness and transparency, it risks further damaging Uganda's international reputation and deepening political divisions at home.